my name is Arvind Batra from Alna Biotech Pvt. We are coming from the Panchkula, Haryana, Chandigarh. We are third-party manufacturing of Ayurveda, Nutraceutical and cosmetic products. We have three manufacturing units. One is Ayurveda, other is Nutraceuticals, and third one is cosmetics. In Ayurveda, we are dealing in tablets, capsules, protein powders, syrups, granules, ointments, and nutraceuticals, we have three sections: tablets, capsules, and protein powders. In cosmetics, we generally do shampoos, conditioner, face washes, sprays, creams, lotion, moisturizer, body washes. Second time in Mumbai. We also did in Delhi also. So we have a great experience in CMPL, and we are also looking forward in next year. Cosmetics and nutraceuticals, there are different innovations we have got. Like serums, we have different combinations which stem cells based products are there. In 4 or 5 types of sunscreens of gel based or cream based or aqueous, non-aqueous we have did, and customers are very liking it, those products samples. It's a great exhibition, and we are looking forward.